Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'd like to book a room, please. Do you have any rooms available?
Yes, we do.
I would like to book a single room.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do.
May I have your name, please?
What's your name again?
My name is Emily.
How long will you be staying here?
4 or 5 days.
Can you show me your ID, please? How many guests are with you?
I'm alone.
Could you please fill out this form?
Yeah, sure. Here you go.
Refund. Here you go.
Do you need help with your bags?
Yes, I do need help. Do you need wake-up call? No, I don't need.
You have to ask something?
Is there breakfast included?
Yes, it is.
Do you have air conditioning?
Yes, we do.
When can I check in?
You can check in now.
Can someone help with my bag?
Yes, we will send this bag directly to your room.
Is there an airport shuttle bus?
Yes, we have.
Can I see the room?
Yes, you can.
When is checkout time?
When you want, you can.
Do you have extra mattress?
Yes, we do.
What is the room service number?
It's 8.
Is outside food allowed?
No, it's not.
Can I see the room?
Yes, you can.
What is the room number and where is it?
The room number is 302 and it's on 8th floor. Take the elevator, we will send your bag directly to your room. If you spot any issue, contact with the room service.
When is breakfast time?
It's 8 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Oh, so this is my room. It's quite good. How can I help you?
Can I help you?
Your luggage, ma'am.
Oh, okay, thank you. Okay, let's order food. Hello.
Hello, ma'am, how can we help you?
Yes, I would like order food.
Ma'am, your room number?
It's 103.
Yes, ma'am, what would you like to have?
Can I have 6 fried wings and pasta?
Anything else, ma'am?
Yes, do you have beverages?
Yes, we do. What will you like to have?
Can I have orange juice?
Okay, ma'am. I am repeating your order. 6 fried chicken wings and pasta.
When will the food arrive?
It will arrive under 30 minutes.
Okay, fine. How can I help you?
Your food, ma'am.
Okay, thanks. I think I should sleep now. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How may I help you?
I'd like to check out. Here are the keys of room.
Thank you, ma'am. Please wait for a moment.
Of course.
Did you have anything from the minibar?
No, I didn't.
All right, it's done. Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, it was really good to stay.
Glad to hear. Have a very safe trip, ma'am.
Thank you.
We will send your luggage to your taxi. Thanks for staying with us.
You're welcome.